ओम शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजानन महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யஹம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாபிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே ஜகதः பிதரौ வந்தே பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வரौ. ஸ்ரீ பார்வதி பரமேஸ்வராभ्यां நமः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्ठात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേന്താത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. So, Nikki, we'll just do a quick review, I think, from stanza 5, right? So, Meera, can you do a review?
Yeah, sure. Nirvyaparopi niskaranam.
Oh, sorry, one more second. And then Deepa is on.
Or you shall I turn on the?
Yeah, Deepa is on. Okay. So Deepa, can you also do 5 to 10?
I'm comfortable probably with 5 and 6, not the remaining. No, practice panna mudla.
No problem. Radha, can you do?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. All right. So Meera, you do, and then Radha, you do it. Okay. Meera, go ahead. Yes. Sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
निर्व्यापरोपे निस्कारणमज भजसे यत्क्रियाम् ईक्षणाख्यां तेनैवोदेति लीना प्रकृतिरसति कल्पापि कल्पादिकाले तस्याः संशुद्धमांसं कमपि तमतिरोधायकं सत्वरूपं सत्वं धृत्वा ददासि स्वमहिमविभवा कुन्तवैकुन्तरूपम्.
And the last line, that tha, that second tha. So vibhava kuntha vaikuntha rupam. Very, and the last line. Okay.
Next to Nana, share.
No, you do all the way to 10.
Okay. Tatte pratyagradhara dhalaralita kala yavali kelikaram lavanyas aikasaram sukruti janadrisham purna punyavataram lakshmi nishanka leela nilayanam amrita syanda sandohamantah sinsat sanchintakanam vapuranukaleye maruta garanata.
So the second line, first word, Lavan yasyaika saram. Can you just say that word again?
Lavan yasyaika saram.
Yeah. Okay.
Kashtate srishti cheshta bhautara bhavake davaha jiva bhajam ityevam purvamalochita majita maya naiva madhya bijane noche jiva katamba madura taramidam tvatpuschidra shardram netraistostraicha pitva parama rasa sudam bodhipure rameran.
Third line, last word. Tvad vapush chidra sardram.
Tad vapush.
No, twad. No, twad. TV. Yeah, twad vapud.
Tvad vapush chidra shardram.
Yeah.
Namranam sannidatte satatamapi purastair anabhyartitanapi arthan kamana jasram vitarati paramananda sandram gatim cha ittam nishesha labhyo niravadika palah parijato haretvam shudram tam shakravati drumama bilashati vyartamart Vrajoyam.
Vyartamarti brajoyam.
Vyartamarti brajoyam.
Yeah.
Karunyat kamamanyam dadati khalupare swatmadasvam visheshat aishwarya dishatenye jagati parajane swatmanopishwarastvam vayuchaira ramanti pratipada madure chetanas spita bhagyah tam chat Tvam chatma rama yeveti atula gunaganadara shaure namaste aishwaryam shankaradiswara viniyamanam vishvate joharanam tejas samhari viryam vimalamapi yasho nishprahaichopagitam anga sanga sada shrir akila vidasi nakwapi te shangavarta Tatvatagara-vasin Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukyashrayoshi.
Very good. And the last line, after Tadvatagara-vasin, there is a pause. Okay. And then Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukyashrayosi. Short C at the end. So just say that last line.
Bhagavat Chabda Mukyashrayoshi.
Shrayosi. C.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Bhagavat Chabda Mukyashrayosi.
Yeah. Very good. And the tune button, just take care. Okay. For now, it's okay. But because we'll have a lot of these 4-liners, so you'll have to kind of get into that tune. Okay. Good job. Go ahead, Radha.
Hare Krishna Guruvayurappa. Tune அது அந்த அவ சொன்ன டியூன்ல எனக்கு just begin
Yeah. Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaja bhajase.
Okay. Nirvyaparopi nishkaranamaj bhajase yat kriyami kshanakhyam tenaivodeti lina prakriti rasati kalpabi kalpati kale tasya samshuddhamamsham kamapi tamadirodhayakam sattvarupam sattvam dhritva dadhasi स्वमहिमा विभवा कुंड वैकुंठ रूपम तत्ते प्रत्यग्रधाराधर ललित कलायावली केलिकारं लावण्यस्यैकसारं सुकृति जन सदृशं पूर्ण पुण्यावतारम् लक्ष्मी निश्चंगलीला निलयनमृत सिंध संदोह मंदः सिंजत् संचिंदकानां वपुरुनु कलये मारुतागारनाथ कष्टाते सृष्टि चेष्टा बहुतर भवखेदावहा जीव भाजा इत्येवं पूर्वमालोचितमचितमया नैव मद्याभिजाने नो चेत् जीवाः कथं वा मधुरतरमिदं यत् तद्ववपुश्चिद्रसार्धं नेत्रैः श्रोत्रैश्च पीत्वा परमरससुधाम्भोधिपूरे रमेरन्.
Another third line, 1 second. Third line, last word. Tvad vapush chidra sardram.
No che jiva katham va mathurataramidam tvat vapuschidra sardram netrai shrotrai cha pitva paramarasa sudam bodhi pure rameran namranam sannidhatte सततमपि पुरस्तैर् अन्यभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामनजस्रं वितरति परमानन्द सान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाडी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्ति प्रजोयम् कारुण्यात् काममन्यं ददति खलु परे स्वात्मदस्त्वं विशेषात् ऐश्वर्यादिशतन्ये जगति परजने स्वात्मनोऽपीश्वरस्त्वं त्वय्युच्चैररारमन्ति प्रतिपदमधुरे चेतनास्मिदभाग्याः त्वं चात्मा राम एवेति अतुल गुणगणाधार शौर्ये नमस्ते.
Pause. So the second and third line, just repeat the first word. So the second line, first word is Aishwarya Dishatenye. Dishatenye, that comes together, right? So Aishwarya Dishatenye. Can you just say that word?
Aishwarya Dishatenye.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Adhe third line, first word. Tvayyuchairaramanti.
Tvayyuchairaramanti pratipadamadure.
That's good. Yeah.
That's
fine. No, go to the next answer. 10th one. You're good. Yeah.
Aishwaryam Shangaradishwara Viniyamanam Vishwatejoharanam Tejas Samhari Vivyam Vimalamapi Yasho Nisprihaischo Bhagitam Anga Sanga Sada Sri Rakhila Vidasi Nakwapi Te Sangavarta Tatvagaravasin Murahara Bhagavat Chabdha Mukhya Shrayosi.
Very good. The last line, first word, Tadvatagara Vasin. Can you just say that first?
Tadvadagara
Yeah.
Murahara Bhagavat Chabda Mukhya Shrayosi.
Very good. So you did a very good job, and your tune was perfect. But I think you reminded me of how the ladies in Guruvayur chant. They sing this, right? So because of singing, you end up extending that last syllable towards the end, right? So adu just be careful, because when we chant as a group, not everybody can do it that way, right? So another, just be careful. When you're practicing on your own, you can continue to do it. It definitely sounds good. But when you're chanting as a group, you'll have to cut down on that stretch at the very end. Okay, because sometimes what happens is the last line, last letter, right? Like Bhagavat Shabda Mukhya Shrayosi, it just ends that way. But in the singing, it goes Shrayosi, it'll become a long C in that case, right? So that's what some things like that you have to be careful. That's all. Okay. Okay, so we'll continue now. So today for 12, Deepa, you can be a student. Okay. And then let me just see who else I had. Tulasi is on. Tulasi, are you on? That's you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you and Deepa can be student for 12, and then Vijaya, you can be a student. Vijaya and Sudha can be students for 14. Okay. So I think we stopped at 3, right? So I'll just chant 1, 2, 3, and then we'll start with the 4th. Swayam bhuvo manuratho janasargashino दृष्ट्वा महीम समये सलिले निमग्नां स्रष्टारमापशरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवातुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके कष्टं प्रजा सृजति मय्यव निर्निमग्ना स्थानं सरोज भव कल्पय तत्प्रजानाम् इत्येवमेष कथितो मनुना स्वयं भूः अम्भोरुहाक्षतव पादयुगं व्यचिन्तीत हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यपिभं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणं यतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभव शिशुकोलरूपी. So that's where we stopped last time.
எனக்கு ஒரு क्वेश्चन இருக்கு. செகண்ட்ல வந்து கஷ்டம் பிரஜா சிருஜதி மையவனிர், இஸ் தேர் a ir?
Yeah, மையவ நிர் நிமக்னா.
மையவனிர். ஓகே. என்னோட புக்ல ir இல்ல.
Okay, yeah, மையவ நிர் நிமக்னா.
Okay.
Stanza 4. अंगुष्ठमात्र वपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोत कुम्भि सदृशः समजृम्भतास्त्वम् अभ्रेतताविदमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सहसूनुभिस्वैः. So we saw in 3rd, right, where out of the nasa putat, out of the nostril of Brahma, like angushta matra, a boar which was the size of a thumb actually came out, right? So there's something about the size of the thumb, because if you remember, when we were discussing about Parikshit also, right? I said how Narayana came in the form of a thumb. So again, here it was a really small size. That's what it means. And then what was first the size of a thumb now started growing up in size. And eventually it became Kumbhi. Kumbhi is referring to an elephant. So it kind of, they're showing relatively, right? It was size of a thumb. It started growing bigger and bigger. Now it became the size of an elephant. And then when looking at it, Vismeratam, so Brahma and his sons were all sitting there, or who were all converged there, right? They were all like amazed, what is happening here, as the size of this boar started growing. And eventually it became so big that it started touching, it started upgrade, started going as if they had to look up to the sky. They had to look up. That was the size of the boar. So the boar started growing up in size as Brahma and his sons were looking at it. So Angushta Matra Vapurut Patitaha. So Vapurut Patitaha, you say it together, and Patitaha is there. You can put a if to join it. Patitah Purastat, comma, Bhuyota Kumbhi Sadrishaha is there. Put a is Sadrishas Sama Jrumbha Tastwam. Sama Jrumbha Tastwam Abre tatha vidam udikshya. If you want to break it, vidam udikshya bhavantam uchchaihi. Put a visarga at the end of that line. Bhavantam uchchaihi, comma. The next line on top of V, if you have a ir, remove that ir off. Vismeratam vidiraghat saha sunubihi is there. Put a is to join it. Sunubis swaihi. Okay, so no pause in between, just comma at the end of every line. Okay. Angushtamatra vapurut patitah purastate bhuyota kumbi sadrusha samajrambhatastvam abhre tata vidamudiksha bhavantamuchaihi visme ratam bhidiragat sahasunu biswaihi.
Angushtamatra purutapatitah.
And the patitaha, you put that if there to join, right? You put that if letter there. So patitah purastat. So angushta matra vapurut patitah purastat.
Angushtamatra vapurut patitaka purustat bhuyo yapi kubi sadrishya samjurmabhayastvam abhretata vidham uddikshaya bhavantamucheha vismeratam vidiragat sahasunubhi swaya
Swaihi.
swaihi.
So the second, can you just say the second line? Say bhuyota kumbhi sadrishas sama jrumbhatastvam. So Deepa, which language are you following?
In Sanskrit.
Sanskrit, right? Okay. So go ahead. So that wherever even the first and the visarga, the two dots are coming, right? So I'll say a letter. So whatever letter I'm saying, you just put that letter, right? So it becomes patitah in the first line. Okay.
Angushtamatra vapuruta patitaka purustat bhuyo yapi kumbi sadrishya
samajrumbha
bhatyastam abhretata vidha mudiksha bhavantyamucheha vismeratam vidiragat saha sunibhi
swaihi. So even the first muchaihi. Okay, go ahead, Tulsi. You're on mute, Tulsi. You're on mute.
Sorry. Angushtamatra vapurat patif purastat bhuyot kumbi sadrusha samajrumbha dastvam abre tada vidamu mudiksha bhavantamuchaihi visveratam vidiragat sah sunubisvaihi.
So even the first line, remember, patitaha is there, right? You have to put a F there. Patitah purastat.
Okay. Angushtamatra vapurat patitah purastat bhuyot kumbi sadrushas samajrumbha dastvam abre tada vidhamudiksha bhavantamuchaihi vismeratam vidiragat saha sunubistvaihi.
The second line, first letter, bhuyot, not bhuyot. It's not a it, it's a tha. It's a full tha.
Sure.
Okay.
Bhuyot.
Yeah. Stanza 5. Kosa vachintya mahima kitiruttito me nasa putat kimu bhaveda jitasya maya ittam vichintayati dhatari shailamatraha Sadyo bhavan kila jagarjita ghora ghoram. So as the boar started growing up in size, right? So Kaha Asau, Brahma and others are wondering, who is this? Who is this Achintya Mahima? Like it's inconceivable. Chinta means to think. So Achinta means you cannot even think. It's inconceivable Mahima, of inconceivable glory, who started off as a small boar, Me Nasa Potat, who actually came out of my nostril as a really small boar, but now is starting to grow up in the size. So who is this person of inconceivable glory? Or is it that Ajitasya Maya? Is it that Lord's Maya, which is actually forming like this, that we are actually looking at this, which we don't know who it is and what is happening. So as they were wondering, Ittam Vichintayati, as they were wondering about this, soon you, O Lord, Bhavan, you started growing more and more. Shaila Matraha, you started growing and becoming almost the size of a large mountain. So they're just giving relative scales, right? You came as a thumb, then became like an elephant, and so on. Now becoming the size of as if it's a very large mountain. And when you became that, Kila Jagarjita Ghora Goram, you then let out a very loud roar as well when you started growing into that size. So Kosa Vachintya. So you have to till that point, you have to say it together. Kosa Vachintya Mahima Kitir Uttito. If you want to break it, you can break at that root. Kitir Uttito Me, comma, Nasa Putat Kimu. The next word, if you want to break it, you can break it. Bhavet Ajitasya, if you want to break it. Or you can say Bhaved Ajitasya together. Bhaved Ajitasya Maya. So we'll do two lines, right? Kosa Vachintya Mahima Kitir Uttito Me Nasa Putat Kimu Bhaved Ajitasya Maya.
Kosa Vachintya Mahima Kitiru Tiyatyo Me Nasa Putat Kimu Bhaved Ajitasya Maya.
Yeah, the first line, Kitir Uttito Me.
Kosa Vachintya Mahima Kitiruttito Me Nasa Putat Kimu Bhaved Ajitasya Maya. Now,
Kosa. Shall I continue?
Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, please, sorry.
Yeah. Kosa Vachintya Mahima Kitirutito Me Nasa Putat Kimu Bhaved Jitasya Maya.
Go ahead. Two times, yeah.
Kosa Vachintya Mahima Kitirutito Me Nasa Putat Kimu Bhaved Jitasya Maya.
Yeah. So the first line, Kitir Uttito Me. There are two thas coming, right? One is a it coming and then is a tha coming. So Kitir Uttito Me. Okay. So just make sure you are saying that half it also there. So Ittam Vichintayati Dhatari Shaila Matraha, comma, Sadyo Bhavan Kila Jagarjitha Ghora Ghoram. Ittam Vichintayati Dhatari Shaila Matraha Sadyo Bhavan Kila Jagarjitha Ghora Ghoram.
Ittham Vichanyati Dhatiri Shailamatram Sadho Bhavakila Jagajitra Ghora Ghoram.
First line, Shaila Matraha, not Matram. Shaila Matraha.
Ittam Vichintyati Dhatari Shailamatram Matraha. Shailamatraha Sadho Bhavankila Jagajirta Ghora Ghoram.
Last line, Sadhyo.
Sadhyo Bhavana Kila Jagajirta Ghora Ghoram.
Ittam Vichintayati Dhatari Shailamatraha सद्यो भवन् किल जगज्जित घोर घोरम् इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगज्जित घोर घोरम्.
Answer 6. Tam te ninadamupakarnya janastapastah satyastithascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam tatstotra harshulamanah parinadya bhuyah tohyashayam vipulamurtiravatarastvam. So I'll send a picture after the class, right? But you all know the 14 lokas, right? The bhuloka is the middle. And then you kind of have the Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Patala is there. And then the knob, it goes Bhuloka, Swarloka and all that till it goes to Satyaloka. So eventually we'll tell where earth is. But right now here, on hearing the loud roar, which is actually happening, the people who are in the Tapaloka and up all the Satyaloka, Tapaloka, so all over the lokas, they are all able to hear the loud roar, which is actually happening. And when the loud roar is heard, Munayaha, all the sages who are all there, are all beginning to praise you because they all realize that it is you who is actually coming. And so when they started praising you, Stotram, when they started praising you with various Stotram and everything, you then got even more happy and then you grew further up in size and then started diving down. So we'll see where he goes. But right now you just assumed a big fawn because right now, remember, Brahma is in Satyaloka, which is the very topmost of the 14 lokas, right? So right now that's where you are. And then you started diving down, means you started going to the lokas which are below that. So tam te ninadam upakarnya. You can break it there if you want. Ninadam upakarnya janas. Then tapaha is there. So you have to, don't say that visarga, put a is to join it. Janas tapas staha. So two is sounds coming there, okay? Staha, comma. Satya stithascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam. Tam te ninadamupakarnya janastapastaha satya stithascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam.
Tam te ninadam
Upakarnya
janatapastaha.
No, janastapastaha. 3 is count. 3 is.
Janastapastaha.
Yeah.
Tam te nidanam upakarnya janastapastaha satyasthitakshayam
Munayo. No, stithascha munayo.
Satyasthitascha munayo nunuvur
bhavantam.
Nunuvur bhavantam. Satyasthitascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam.
Second time.
Tam te ninadam upakarnya janastapastaha satyasthitascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam.
Tam te ninadamupakarnya janastaptastaha satyasti tascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam.
So that last, sorry, the first line, last one, it's 3 words, right? Janas, tapas, staha.
Janas tapastaha. Janas tapastaha.
Yeah.
Tam te ninadamupakarnya janas tapastaha satyasti tascha munayo nunuvur bhavantam.
Tat stotra harshula manaha is there. Put a if to join. Manaf parinadhya bhuyaha. Put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Bhuyaha Next line, if you have a is, remove that is off. So toyashayam vipula. So the next word, again, whenever I'm saying you where to break it, it is only for your convenience. If you don't want to break it, you don't have to break it. Okay. So vipula, murtir avataras tvam. Those are three words there. Murtir avataras tvam. But if you want to say it together, you can say it together as well. Tat stotra harshulamanaf parinadya bhuyah tohya shayam vipula murtiravatara tvam.
तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुल मनाख परिणध भूयः तोयाशयं विपुल मूर्तिर् अवातरस्त्वं तत्स्तोत्र हर्षुलमनाफ परिणाद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुल अवातरस्त्वम्
तत्सोत्र हर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वं तत्स्रोत्र हर्षुलमनाः परिणद्य भूयः तोयाशयं विपुलमूर्तिरवातरस्त्वं.
Answer 7. ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूत रोमा प्रोत्क्षिप्त वालदिरवांग मुख घोर घोणः तूर्ण प्रदीर्ण जलदः परिघूर्ण दक्षिणा स्तोत्रन् मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवते ऋतत्वम्. So now Bhattacharya is describing how the boar was, right? The large boar which was actually going on. First is with the hair that was actually standing on the boar's body, where dark red colored hair which was standing erect. Then the tail was actually pointed up. Then the snout of the boar was actually pointed down, because it's now going downwards, right? From Satyaloka, like we said, it's going, the snout is going down. And then the rolling eyes, parigurnita, the mukha ghora ghonaha, means the eyes were all large and rolling eyes. And then with very ease, you are actually piercing through and actually going through, and all the sages praised you. That's what he's saying in this chapter 7, in the stanza 7. But if whoever has the book and everything, if you go to the next chapter, 13th chapter, right? In the 13th chapter, stanza 9 is where the sages, it actually tells what the sages were praised. The sages praise the Varahavatara again, and there they're comparing the avataram, the body of the various parts of the body, to the yajna itself, right? So I'll just chant that once and tell you very quickly what it is. It says tvachit chando romaswapi kushaganas chakshushi ghritam chaturhotarongrau srugapi vadane chodarahida graha jihvayam te parapurusha karne chachamasaha vibho somo viryam Bharada Galadeshe Pyupasadaha. So they're describing each of the body parts. So they're saying how what the hair is, what the hands are, and what the mouth is. That comes later. But I'm just saying that here, essentially, they are describing the Lord, how he is. And in the later on, they compare him to that the various parts of the yajna itself, the homam itself, including the ladle, the srug, and everything. So Urdhva Prasari Pari Dhumra Vidhuta Roma. So here it's very easy to split it. So as I'm saying it, right, put a marker or a division, right? So it's easy for you to repeat as well. Urdhva Prasari Pari Dhumra Vidhuta Roma Prot Kshipta. So first a it comes and then a ip comes. Prot Kshipta Valadiravang. So that one you have to say it together. This you can't break that. So Valadiravang, that ing sound has to come there. Mukha Ghora Ghonaha. Urdhva Prasari Paridhumra Vidhuta Roma Prokshipta Valadiravang Mukha Ghora Ghonaha.
ऊर्ध्व प्रसारी परिधूम्र विधुतरोमा प्रोक्षित प्रवाली
Valadiravang.
प्रोक्षित वालधिरवालहिंग खघोरण घोणः उद्ध्व प्रसारी परिधूम्र विधुतरोमा प्रोक्षित प्रवाल अधीर वाहिंग घोर
No, just repeat that for me. Protshipta Valadiravang
Valadiravang
Mukha
Mukha Ghora
Ghonaha.
Ghora Ghonaha.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
Prokshit.
ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूत रोमा प्रोक्षिप्त बालाधिर वाङ्मुख घोर घोनः ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूत रोमा प्रोक्षिप्त बालाधिर वाङ्मुख घोर घोनः.
I think second line you're saying Vala Diravang, you're saying it's Vala Diravang, not Vala. Protshipta Vala Diravang. Okay, so just that extra R is not there. No, Vala, not Vala. Okay.
Vala. Okay. Prokshipta Vala Dira Vanga Mukhagora Ghonaha.
Turna Pradirna Jaladaha is there. Put a if Jaladaf. Pari Gurna Dakshna. So Pari Gurna Dakshna, comma. Stotrun. So this case it's a double R, right? It's not Stotrun. Stotrun. You have to say the R two times. Stotrun Munin Shishira Yenna. So Shishira Yenna Vaterita Tvam. Turna Pradirna Jaladah Parighurna Dakshna Stotrun Munin Shishirayenna Vaterita Tvam.
Turna Pradirna Jaladakha Paridurna Dakshna Stotrun Munin Shishira Yatravet
Shishira Yenna
Vaterita Tvam.
Yeah.
Turna Pradirna Jaladakha Paridurna Dakshna Stotrun Munin Shishira Yen Vaterita Tvam.
Yenna double na coming there. Yenna Vaterita Tvam.
Shishira Yen Vaterite Tvam.
Turna Pradirna Jaladaf Parighurna Daksha Stotrun Munin Shishira Yanna Ridatvam.
The last line, third line, last word, Dakshna.
Turna Pradirna Jaladaf Parighurna Dakshna Stotrun Munin Shishira Yanna Vateriditvam.
Right, I think it's 7th. We'll switch now halfway. So I think I said Sudha and Vijaya, right?
Thank you.
Stanza 8. Antarjalam tadanu sankulanakra chakram Bhramyati mingila kulam kalushor mimalam Avishya bhishana ravena rasaatalastan akampayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam. So like he's saying, right? So the boar starts now going down. And then the boar starts going down. It's starting from Satyaloka. It is going through all the various lokas. And at the very bottom, right? So you have the Rasatala, and then there's a Patala. Patala is at very bottom, and there's a Rasatala. So there is also an ocean. Of course, none of us have seen it. There's an ocean which is called as the Garbhodaka Ocean, where Vishnu is also said to be residing. So that Garbhodaka Ocean, so when they say this earth was in water, it's the Garbhodaka Ocean where it is actually sitting. So it's the very bottom at the Rasatala level. It is where it's the very bottom. So here, as the boar is actually going down, as the Lord is going down, piercing through the clouds and piercing through all the lokas, and then eventually he gets into Bhishana Ravena of Rasatalastan. The people who were in Rasatala, or whoever the inhabitants of Rasatala, they were all getting terrified and they were trembling because of the noise that is actually coming as the Lord is actually going there. And then once he reaches there, he then goes, and the boar then goes and starts looking for where the earth is. So Antar Jalam Tadanu Sankula Nakra Chakram. So Sankula Nakra Chakram, comma, Brahmyat Timingila. You can break it there. Brahmyat Timingila Kulam Kalushor Mimalam. Antarjalam Tadanu Sankula Nakra Chakram Brahmyat Timingila Kulam Kalushor Mimalam. So that.
Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakra chakram Brahmyakti mingila kulam kalushor mimalam. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakra chakram Brahmyakti mingila kulam kalushor mimalam.
Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakra chakram Brahmyat timingila kulam kalushor mimalam. Antarjalam tadanu sankula nakra chakram Brahmyat timingila kulam kalushor mimalam.
Avishya Bhishana Ravena Rasatalastan. So put a in at the end of that line. Rasatalastan. And then comma. So next line, when you have Nakampayan, it becomes Akampayan. So Akampayan Vasumatim Agaveshayas Twam. So you can break it into three parts there. Vasumatim. Vasumatim is referring to Mother Earth. Vasumati. So Vasumatim Agaveshayas Twam. Avishya Bhishana Ravena Rasatalastan Akampayan Vasumati Magaveshayas Twam.
Avishya bhishana ravena rasatalastan akampayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam. Avishya bhishana ravena rasatalastan akampayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam.
Avishya bhishana ravena rasatalastan Akampayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam. Avishya bhishana ravena rasadalastan Akampayan vasumatim agaveshayastvam.
Stanza 9. Drishtva tadaityhatakena rasatalante Samveshitam jhatiti kuta kitir vibhotvam Apatu kana viganaya surari khetan Damstrangkurena vasudam adadhas salhilam. So Drishtva, having seen at the very bottom of Rasathala, where the Asura, Daitya, referring to Asura here, where the Asura Hiranyaksha had actually placed the earth or displaced the earth, immediately you, who was in the form of a boar, Jhatiti, you then took the boar at the tip of your tusk, right? So here he's saying Damstrang Kurena. So the tusk of the boar that is there at the very tip of the tusk, you were able to lift the earth there, and you did it as if it is Salilam, as if it is a sport, as if for fun you are lifting a ball. Similarly, you just lifted it up from Rasatala very easily at the tip of your board. So when you did that, of course, all the Asuras who are there, they started rushing towards you to fight with you. Essentially, this is where he's where the earth is getting rescued. So Drishtwata Daitya Hatakena Rasatalante, comma Samveshitam Jhatiti Kuta Kitir Vibho Tvam. Drishtva Daityahatakena Rasatalante Samveshitam Jhatiti Kuta Kitir Vibho Tvam.
दृष्ट्वा तदैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वं दृष्ट्वा तदैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वं
दृष्ट्वा दैत्यहतेकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वं दृष्ट्वा दैत्यहातकेन
Oh, Vijay, one second. Not Hatha, Hatakena.
Hatakena. Drishtva Daityahatakena Rasatalante Sanveshita Jatiti Kudakiti Vibhotvam.
Apatu Khan Aviganaya. If you want to, if you can't say the full word, then you can break it there. Apatu Khan Aviganaya Surari Ketan, comma Damstrangkurena. Damst, the im and then a ing sound is coming in between. Damstrangkurena Vasudham Adadha. So that the ma you can break it. Vasudham Adadhaha is there. Put a is Adadhas Salilam. Apatu Kana Viganaya Surari Ketan Damstrangkurena Vasudham Adadhas Salilam.
आपातु खान विगणय्य सुरारिकेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अददाः सलीलम् आपातु खान् अविगणस्य सुरारिकेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधाम् अददाः सलीलम्.
The third line, Viganaya, I think second time you said something else.
Okay. Apatu Khan Viganaya Surari.
No, say Apatu Khan.
Apatu Khan Aviganaya. Correct?
Correct.
Apatu Khan Aviganaya Surari Ketan Damstrangkurena Vasudha Adada Salilam.
Apatu Khan Avikanaya Surarikedan Tamishtrangkurena Vasudam Atatas Salilam Apatukan Avikananya Avikanaya Apatukan Avikanaya Surarikedan Damishtrangkurena Vasudam Atatas Salilam.
Stanza 10. Abhyudharannatadharam Dashanagra Lagna Mustangurankita Ivadikapi Varatma Uddhuta Ghora Salila Jaladheru Danchan Krida Varaha Vapurishwara Pahi Rogat. So here is saying, here Bhadrapada is saying, oh Lord, Krida Varaha. So you took Varaha Vapuhu, you took the form of a boar as if it was a play for you, as if it was a sport for you, right? A Krida, it was just a very easy sport for you. And what you did then was Dharam, you lifted the earth, protected the earth, right, from the waters and saved the earth itself. And you did all of this with a Adhika Pivaratma, with a gigantic sized body, such that, like we said in the previous stanza as well, as if here previously he said you were carrying it Damstrang Kuren, at the tip of your tusk, you are lifting the earth. Here you are again saying Dashanagra Lagna, the tip of your tusk, as if you're lifting a blade of grass. So that's how the size of yours was. It was such an easy play for you to lift the earth, right? But here I am suffering, like he says here, right? I am suffering here with the disease. So eliminating my disease should not be a big deal for you. So that's how Bhadrapada is wrapping it up, saying you are able to do all this. O Krida Varaha Vapurishwara Pahi Rogat. Please eliminate and eradicate all the diseases I have, because that should be not a big deal at all for you, because in this you saved Mother Earth, right? As if it was a sport for you. So Abhyudharannatha. So in the word you can't unfortunately break it anywhere. So you have to say the whole thing together. Abhyudharannatha. So double the coming, double na coming there. Abhyudharannatha Dharam Dashanagra Lagna, and then put a plus. Mustang Kurankita. Even that word you have to say it together. Mustang Kurankita Ivadhika Pivaratma. So both those lines you have to say it together. Abhyudharannatha Dharam Dashanagra Lagna Mustang Kurankita Ivadhika Pivaratma.
Abhyudharannatadharam dashanagra lagnamustankita kurankita ivadika pivaratma. Sorry.
Yeah, you can just say it slowly only. And that's you like
Abhyudharannatadharam dashanagra lagnamustankita kurankita ivadika Pivaratma.
So then you're adding an extra kita in the second line at the beginning. It's Mustang Kurang Kita. Only one kita.
Oh, Mustang Kurang Kita. Okay.
Yeah.
Abhyudharannata dharam dashanagra lagna Mustang Kurang Kita ivadika Pivaratma.
Yeah.
Abhyudharannatha Taram Dasanakra Lagna Mustang Kurankita Ivadi Kapivaratma. Abhyudharannatha Taram Dasanakra Lagna Mustang Kurankita Ivadi Kapivaratma.
Uddhuta, double the coming. Uddhuta Gora Salilaj, ij sound. Salilaj Jaladher Udhanchan. You can break at that ru if you want. Jaladher Udhanchan if you want to break it. Comma. Krida Varaha Vapurishwara Pahi Rogat. Uddhuta Gora Salilaj Jaladher Udhanchan. Krida Varaha Vapurishwara Pahi Rogat.
இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க. உத்தூத கோர சலிலா ஜலதேர் ருதஞ்சன் கிரீடா வராகவ புரீஸ்வர பாஹி ரோகாத். உத்தத் கோர சலிலா உத்தூத கோர சலிலா ஜலதேர் ருதஞ்சன் Krida Varahava Purishwara Pahi Rogat.
Udduda Kora Salilaj Jalate Rudanchan Krida Varaha Vapurishwara Pahi Rogat. Udduda Kora Salilaj Jalate Rudanchan क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. So that completes 12. So we'll move on to 14. So 14 is actually another incarnation of the Lord, but not many people know about that. So because I think, everybody knows that Dasa Avataram, they only know that those 10 avatars, but there are a lot of other avatars which have happened. So 14 is one of this, 16 is one of that, where a Naranarayana Avataram actually happened, right? So this is Kapila Avataram. So this has got 2 chapters, right, which come together, 14th and 15th. In the 14th is the incarnation itself as Kapila, and in 15th he is actually preaches Sankhya Yoga. There is something also called Sankhya Yoga, which is another name of a yoga which comes in Bhagavad Gita, but this is different from that. This is something called a Sankhya Yoga. Sankhya means numbers. So this is actually talking about, it's explaining the concept of philosophy or union with God with the explanation of numbers. So we'll see that in the 15th chapter, right? So 14. So we, like I said earlier, there are 3 tunes in the entire Narayaniyam except 69. 69 has got a different tune. So we saw 1, which was a 4-liner. We saw 12, we saw a tune. This is the 14. This has got slightly different tune, but it's not too different, but it will be slightly different. Okay. So stanza 1. Samanus mritatavakangri yugmaha samanuf pankaja sambhavanga janma nijamantaramantaraaya hinam charitam te katayan sukham ninaya. So that same Swayambhuva Manu who we saw in the 12th chapter, that Manu, it says, right, who is the Pankaja Sambhava, means someone who has come from the lotus, which is Brahma. So that Brahma's son. So he's still, Bhattacharya is finishing up all of Swayambhuva Manu only. So that's Swayambhuva Manu. So as he is now in 12 was where things got disrupted, the Lord came and helped, but now things are going peacefully. So he's just continuing with his work, right? So I don't know if I said earlier. So there are the Chatur Yuga, the 4 yugas we talk about, that 4 yugas multiplied by 1000. So the 1000 Chatur Yugas is 1 day for Brahma. So what Brahma does is, he then, like I said, I don't know if I said earlier, is he outsources that to different Manus. So he gives it to 14 Manus. So each Manu has 71 and a quarter or Chatur Yugas, right, that are there for each of them. So this Swayambhuva Manu is now going through his time. So everything is going fine as he is then doing it. But what is he doing? He is Samanus Tava Angri Yugmaha, on your feet. He's constantly meditating, right? He's constantly meditating on your feet. That's what this Manu is doing. So, and he's doing from that, he's now free of all issues. Nothing is there. Antaraya Hinam. And then Sukham Ninaya. Things are going happily for him. He's constantly meditating on your feet. So that is happening right now. So Samanu Smrita Tavakangri. So the Tavakangri that you say together, Tavakangri Yugmaha, comma. Sa Manuhu is coming again. Put the if sound. Samanuf Pankaja Sambhavanga. Sambhavanga Janma. Samanus Smrita Tavakangri Yugmaha. Samanuf Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Samanusmrita tava kangri yugmaha samanu pankaja sambhavanga janma.
Sambhavanga Janma.
Sambhavanga janma. Samanusmrita tavangri yugmaha samanu pankaja sambhavangri vanga janma. Sorry.
I think you took the pitch 1 level high for your voice, I think.
No. Hold on a second. The thing is, I didn't listen to you properly.
Kannan came and disturbed you.
Yes.
I'll say that.
So sorry about that.
That's okay. I'll say it one more time. Samanu Smrita Tavakangri Yugmaha Samanuf Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Samanusmrita Tavakangri Yugmaha Samanu Pankaja Sambhavanga Janma.
Samanu Sambrida तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुस्पङ्कज वाङ्गजन्मा समृद
No, one second, Vijay. Samanu smrita, not samsmrita. Samanu smrita.
समनुस्मृत तावकाङ्घ्रियुग्मः समनुस्पङ्कज सम्भवाङ्गजन्मा.
Next line, you can break it into 4 easy parts. Nijam, antaram, antaraya. Again, only if you want, right? Nijam, antaram, antaraya, hinam, comma, charitam te kathayan sukham ninaya. If I suddenly start from the 3rd line, I have to remember the tune. Pangsambhavang nijamantaramantaraaya hinam charitam te katayan sukham ninaya.
Nijamantaramantaraaya hinam charitam te katayan sukam ninaya. Nijamantaramantaraaya hinam charitam te katayan sukam ninaya.
Nijam antaram antarayahinam saritam te kadayan sukam ninaya. Nijam antaram antarayahinam saritam te kadayan sukam ninaya.
Stanza 2. Samaye khalu tatra kardamakyo druhinachaya bhavastadhiya vacha drita sargaraso nisargaramhyam bhagavam stvamayutam samasisheve. So one interesting thing, right, is and I was telling this to some class, a lot of places in this scriptures it says son of Brahma, right? So when it says son of Brahma, we should not think of it in the context of how we think of children, right? Because at the beginning there was only Brahma, right? So you cannot think of how we think of children, right? Even Saraswati was born out of Brahma, right? So the whole concept of Saraswati is the wife of Brahma. That was not quite the relationship. She is also born from Brahma only. So here similarly, out of Brahma was also born a sage called Kardama. So it says, so they call Karjama Prajapati is how it is known as, right? He's known by that name, but Prajapati is like a title. It's like Indra. It's like a title only. So one Prajapati means one who is the lord of the people, means one who is engaged in the act of creation, right? So like how Brahma is the Manu is a ruler. You have to think of Manu kind of like the one who is ruling that particular Manvantra, but there are Prajapatis who then do the act of creation for Brahma. Similarly, there was one Prajapati called Kardama who was born from Druhina Chaya, from the shadow of Brahma. This Prajapati was born, and he then, after following Brahma's words, Tadiya Vacha, listening to his words, was very interested in the act of creation. So he also wanted to help out in the act of creation. So when Brahma then told him, like, do what I did, which is go and worship the Lord, Samasisheve, for how long? Ayutam Samaha. Ayutam is referring to 10,000 years. So this Kardama Prajapati is now going and meditating for 10,000 years, which is what even Brahma did. Brahma also meditated for thousands and thousands of years before he actually got the idea of what needs to be done. So this is happening in parallel. On one end, Swayambhuva Manu is sitting, everything is going on. In parallel here, Kardama Prajapati is also now meditating on the Lord. So Samaye Khalu Tatra Kardamakyo, comma, Druhinachaya. So Druhinachaya Bhavas Tadiya Vacha.
Tadiya Vacha.
Samaye Khalu Tatra Kardamakyo Druhinachaya Bhavas Tadiya Vacha.
Samaye kalu tatra kardamakyo druhinachaya bhavas tadiya vacha. Samaye kalu tatra kardamakyo druhinachaya bhavas तदीयवाचा
समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाख्यो त्रिहीनच्छाय पवस्तदीयवाचा समये खलु तत्र कर्तमाख्यो त्रिहीनच्छाय भवस्तदीयवाचा
Drita sarga raso nisarga ramyam, comma.
निसर्गरम्यं
Sudharshik mute la podren. Nisarga ramyam bhagavams twam ayutam. So you can break at that ma if you want. You can say twam ayutam or twam ayutam. Ayutam is 10,000. Samaha is there. Put is samas sisheve. Dhrita sargaraso nisargaramhyam bhagavam stvamayutam tamasisheve.
சமா சிஷேவே இங்க நிஷேவேன்னு இருக்கே
Amma, Chala books has nisheve, just change it to sisheve. Some books have nisheve.
குட்டி சி இல்லையா
First sa, sisheve.
சிஷேவே திருத சர்கரசோ நிசர்கரம்யம் பகவத் त्वामयुतं समाश्रिषेवे
And the bhagavams, it should be im there. Bhagavams.
भगवंस् त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे धृतसर्गरसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस् त्वामयुतं समासिषेवे
सर्करसो निसर्गरम्यं भगवंस् त्वामयुतं समाशिषेष्वे.
No, one second. Sisheve. Sisheve.
Samasti sheve.
No, not there is no th sound. Samas sisheve.
Tisheve.
Tisheve. Yeah.
Okay. Samatisheve. Correct?
Sisheve. Si. Sisheve.
Tisheve.
No, not learning. You are saying ta. It's a sa.
Tisheve.
Sa. Sarigama sa.
Oh,
Sisheve.
Sava. Tamasisheve.
Yeah.
Tamasisheve. Correct? Solrena. Tamasisheve.
Samasisheve.
Tamasisheve.
Yeah.
சரியா வரலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
That's okay.
சமாஷிஷேவே.
Correct.
அப்ப கரெக்ட் இல்லையா அந்த சமாஷிஷேவே. திருத சர்க்கரேசோ நிசர்கரம்யம் பகவம்ஸ் துவாமயுதம் சமாசிஷேவே.
Correct. Answer 3. Garudopari kalamegha kamram vilasatkehi sarojapani padvam hasito lasitananam vibhotvam vapuravish smakardamaya. So here Bhattacharya is saying, oh vibhotvam, oh Lord, you now appeared in front of Kardama. So that's why like he said is this Kardama does not know Guru Ayappan, right? Guru Ayappan did not exist at that time. He's praying to Narayana or Brahman, whoever. But for Bhattacharya, like he said right from the first stanza, he uses the word Tvam everywhere here. So he says, oh Lord, you then appear in the form of Kardama. How? Right? So like we said, there's no form. And then suddenly, let's say you are all praying and suddenly somebody comes in front of you and says, I am Narayana. No, you won't believe, right? Because you have a certain vision of how Narayana is. You see in the paintings, it has to be blue color. Right? He has to have 4 hands. He has to have a gada. He has to have a chakram and changa and all that. Otherwise, you will say, no, I don't believe. Right? Similarly, here also, same thing happens in the 17th chapter when Dhruva is meditating. We'll see it there. But here also, same. Kardama is thinking about the Lord with some image of the Lord. So that image of the Lord has to come in front. Only then he will also accept it as the Lord. So that Lord is what is coming. How? Garudopari, mounted on Garuda, Kalamega Kamram, as if the color of the dark rain clouds, right? In the dark rain clouds, he's now coming. How in one hand, one hand he's actually holding Pani Padmam, he's holding the lotus in one of the hands. And then Hasito Lasi, he's also coming in a very smiling fashion, because here Kardama is meditating, and when he opens his eyes, when he's seeing somebody, that person has to also look very pleasant, right? So the Lord is coming in a very smiling form with a lotus in his hand, and then mounted on Garuda, and he's coming in front of Kardama. So Garudo Pari Kala Megha Kamram, comma, Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam. Garudo Parikala Megha Kamram, Vilasat Keli Saroja Pani Padmam.
Garudopari kala mega kamram vilasat keli saroja pani padmam. Garudopari kala mega kamram vilasat keli saroja pani padmam.
Garudopari kala megha kamram vilasat keli saroja pani padmam. Garudopari kala megha kamram vilasat keli saroja pani padmam.
So next word, Hasitol Lasitananam. I think you can't quite break it into different parts, at least properly for the sandhis. So you have to try to say it together. Hasitol Lasitananam.
Hasitol Lasitananam.
Hasitol Lasitananam Bibho Tvam, comma, Vapura Vish Kurushe Sma Kardamaya. So Sma, like it's a half sa, Sma Kardamaya. Hasito Lasitananam Bibhotvam Vapura Vish Kurushe Sma Kardamaya.
Hasito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura shri vishwakurute swakardamaya.
No, I think you got that last word wrong. Vapura Vish Kurushe.
Hasito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura kurushe.
Okay.
Hasito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura vishkurushe smakardamaya. Hasito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura vishkurushe smakardamaya.
Asito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura vishkurushe smakartamaya. Asito lasitananam vibhotvam vapura vishkurushe smakartamaya.
Answer 4. Stuvate Pulakabrtaya Tasmai Manuputrim Dayitam Navapi Putrihi Kapilam Chasutam Swameva Paschat Swagatim Chapyanugrihya Nirgato Bhuhu. So when the Lord now is appearing, and this is one word that Bhattaripad uses constantly in a lot of places, Pulakavritaya means he's getting horripilation all over his body. He's getting goosebumps all over his body because he's now seeing the Lord right in front of him. So, and then when he prays, and then he asks, Lord asks, what do you want? So he says, I need you, right? I want to be with you all the time. So at the time he blesses, saying, first, what you have to do is Manu Putrin. So that Swayambhuva Manu, who we saw in the first stanza, you are going to go, and then you're going to go marry his daughter, Swayambhuva Manu's daughter. And when you do that, you will get Navapi Putri. You will then get, first you'll get 9 daughters. And once you get 9 daughters, then Swameva Paschat. After that, I myself will be born to you as Kapilam, as Kapila. I myself will be born to you as Kapila. So the Lord just blesses him, Anugrihya, and then the Lord disappears. So and then Kardama gets back. So Stuvate Pulaka Britaya Tasmai, comma, Manu Putrim Dayitam Navapi putrihi. Tuvate pulakavritaya tasmai manuputrim dayitam navapi putrihi.
स्तुवते पुलका वृत्ताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयिना नवापि पुत्रीः
Dayitam. Dayitam. Wife. Dayitam.
ताम फर्स्ट
First ta. Yeah.
ओके स्तुवते पुलकावृत्ताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां नवापि पुत्रीः स्तुवते पुलकावृत्ताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां नवापि पुत्रीः
स्तुवते पुलकावृताय तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां नवापि पुत्रीः स्तुवते पुलकावृता तस्मै मनुपुत्रीं दयितां नवापि पुत्रीः
Kapilam cha sutam swameva paschat, comma, swagatim chapyanugrihya. So that word is together, but you remember the word anugrihya. That's the second half of it. So chapyanugrihya. So for those who know Sanskrit, it's cha api anugrihya. 3 words together. So chapyanugrihya nirgato bhuhu. Kapilam cha sutam swameva paschat swagatim chapyanugrihya nirgato bhuhu.
कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
कपिलं च सुतं समेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः कपिलं च सुतं स्वमेव पश्चात् स्वगतिं चाप्यनुगृह्य निर्गतो भूः
I think Annamadil, you can just write it in English. Anugrihya. So anugrihya. Grihya. Grihya.
Grihya.
Yeah. No worries. I think you can just, it's a ha and a ya together. Yeah, that's it.
Chapyanugrihya nirgato bhuhu.
Nirgato bhuhu. Nirgato bhuhu. Yeah. We'll just do one more. That's okay. We got it. I think just practice that ha and ya.
Yeah. I'll practice.
Yeah. We'll just do one more and we'll finish today. Samhano shatarupaya maheshya gunavatya sutaya cha devahutya bhavadirita naradopadishtah samagat kardamamagate pratiksham. So now the question comes is how does the Swayambhu Manu know that the Lord has told this to Kardama, right? So that's where the brand ambassador Narada comes, and he then goes and tells Swayambhu Manu that, you know what, you take along with your wife, Shatarupa. Shatarupa is the name of his wife. So along with your wife and then your daughter, who's Gunavatya, who's of a very high character, very pious person of the highest of characters, Sutaya, whose name is Devahutya, that is Devahuti. So along with Devahutya, you go. அப்படின்னு Narada goes and tells Swayambhu Manu. So Swayambhu Manu, his wife and Devahuti then go to meet Kardama, who is Agati Pratiksham, who is now waiting because the Lord has told that they will come and meet you. So Kardama is waiting for them to come. Sa Manuhu is there, put the ish to join. Sa Manush Shatarupaya Mahishya. Mahishi is referring to the wife. So Mahishya, comma, queen. Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya. Samanush Shatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya.
Samanush Shatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya. Samanush Shatarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sutaya Cha Devahutya.
Vijay, you're on mute.
Sorry. Samanus Sadarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sudayacha Devahutya. Correct. Devahutya.
Correct.
Okay. Samanus Sadarupaya Mahishya Gunavatya Sudayacha Devahutya.
Just one correction. The first line, Shatarupaya, not Satarupaya. SH.
Oh,
Shatarupaya. Okay.
Okay.
Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha. So Narada Upadishtaha. Right? So it's combined together. So Naradopadishtaha, comma, Samagat. Next, you can break it into three parts. Kardamam Agati Pratiksham. So that Kardamam Agati. Or you can say it together. Kardamam Agati Pratiksham. Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamam Agati Pratiksham.
Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardama Agati Pratiksham. Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardama Agati Pradishtam.
Sorry, Sudhandra, Samagat Kardamam Agati.
Bhavadirita Naradopadishtaha Samagat Kardamam Agati Pradiksham.
Correct.
Okay. Bhagavadirita.
No, not Ga. Bhavadirita.
Bhavadirita Naradopatishta.
Dishtaha.
Padishtaha. Naradopatishtaha Samakat Kartamam Agadi Pradiksham. Agadi Pradiksham.
Yeah.
Bhavadirita Naradopatishtaha Samakat Kartamam Agadipradiksham.
Yeah. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. End the class here. Sandhranandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahma Tattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshad Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananan Kahena vacha manasendriyerva buddhyatmana va prakrite swabhavat karomi yatyat sakalam parasmai narayana heti samarpayami.